We would like to be fair in the apportioning of this money.
Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.
Piny Kenya oyango ni omedo chwalo chenro mage mondo mi otime yor mbui kaka yor keto yot ne jopiny yudo chenro mag sirkal kamoro achiel e yo mayot. Jatend piny William Ruto oyango magi e kinde manoromo kod jopuonjre mawuok e piem mar mbui mar kambi Away, kama bende nosingo mar medo dongruok mag jopuonjre pachoka kokalo e sir mopogore opogore e kuonde tiegruok. Notene kod jatend migawo mar tudruok William Kabogo ma bende nolando thuolo mag tiegruok e piny mar China kaluwore gi tudruok e kind pinje ariyogo.
As government, we have matched these partnerships with deliberate investment. Through our digital superhighway program, we have deployed an additional 37,000 kilometers of fiber optic, established hundreds of digital hubs, trained more than 1.9 million Kenyans in digital skills, and enabled creation of over 350,000 digital jobs. These are not just figures. These are people.
Now stands ready to work with Kenya under the important consensus reached by our heads of state to further deepen cooperation in education, science and technology, and talent development. We will continue to provide opportunities for outstanding Kenyan young people to study, receiving training, and participate in exchanges in China. We will encourage closer cooperation among universities, vocational institutions, research organizations, and enterprises in our two countries.
You have also heard that they announced a big grant of $5 billion to the South-South countries in terms of to support AI training. And I'm hoping that Kenya will take the first step because we lead and others follow, so that we also lead in receiving the grant.